anything like that. I was
You need blue glue, right?
steel caps. Not that I need it, but
Won't you know that son of a bitch? Untying off that side. You got a bolt. Okay, screwdriver.
what do you want?
Screwdriver. It's right here.
And everything.
I don't know about the cap.
Is this it? Let's try to use Russ's thing.
Sure.
Remember he put that
Tape. Can.
I mean,
Jeez.
huh?
I said jeez.
Here, or do you want it to be over here?
I would probably put it on that side.
And
Well, let's see something here first. So then this one here is here, but let's spin this one around.
I can bring this down here. I can
Yeah.
bring this further down.
Yeah, that's good.
Right there.
So put that there. This motherfreaker weighs a ton, don't it? Now can it go, so we can actually mount it right where we need it at then, because that sticks off then.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, and this can come here.
Yeah. Are we going to bring water in here or just cap it there?
You wanted to bring it in here, didn't you?
So I can come this way to there.
Okay.
Does that give us enough room for it?
Should.
Yeah, that gives us enough for the super swivel.
Yeah.
So we can take that super swivel and then we can go right up through there.
We can take that one off.
We can take this one off. So does that make sense? So this is sticking out far, but even if this is on the truck, this is going to be outside the cab anyway. That'll be outside the cab anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is right here. I wonder if this.
So then we can move these closer.
I need
then.
to take this swivel off because I'll have to take that swivel off. It's probably locked up, anyways.
Yeah. So we can move this closer this way then.
This one here.
Yeah, we can move it closer to
Right
here. Yeah. That way it kind of breaks up this here
Right.
for that. The only thing is if we do the water here, then we ain't gonna go down and up and back over. We could
It's
go
just
straight
going
over.
Straight in there.
We're not losing no.
Going straight.
You're probably better to do it here so it's going straight.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So
All right, dude.
You know what I mean? It's going straight into it. So, and then that way this motor's not getting nothing. This motor's fine, and that motor there would be the only one that might get something, but it's not at least coming in on the wires. If it's spraying, it's going to be right in here.
And like I said, I'll take that tape and I'll tape over it.
Right.
And, you know.
Right.
Yeah.
All right. So that's that then.